I'm about to show you 3 free AI tools that feel illegal, not because they're scams, but because of how much time, effort, and money they save. Students are using these to study smarter. Professionals are using them to work faster. And most people still have no idea they exist. Watch till the end. The third tool is so powerful that once you use it, you'll never work the same way again. Let's get into it. Tool number 1. ChatGPT used the right way. Reframe it as illegal by showing advanced use. Most people think ChatGPT is just for chatting. That's why they think it's overrated. But when you use it the right way, it feels illegal. What it actually does, ChatGPT can replace hours of thinking, writing, and organizing instantly. Real-life examples. Students use it too. Summarize 30-page PDFs, turn lecture notes into quizzes. Explain complex topics in simple words. Professionals use it too. Write emails, create reports, plan projects, brainstorm ideas faster than entire teams. Example. Prompt, summarize this document like I'm preparing for an exam. Give me key points, examples, and likely questions. That alone can save you 2 to 3 hours per day. Why? It feels illegal. Poor. Because it gives you clarity in seconds. While others are still staring at a blank page. Tool number 2. Notion AI free version. If your life feels disorganized, this tool feels illegal. What it does, Notion AI turns chaos into structure. You can dump messy notes, ideas, or tasks, and it organizes everything for you. Use cases. Students use it too. Create smart study plans, convert notes into clean summaries, track exams and assignments. Professionals use it too. Turn meeting notes into action plans. Create to-do lists automatically. Manage projects without stress. Powerful moment. I've seen people paste raw meeting notes and Notion AI turns it into a clear professional report in seconds. Why it feels illegal? Because it does what assistants, planners, and managers used to do. For free. Quick reminder, if this video is already saving you time, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I share practical AI tools that actually work, not hype. Tool number 3. Perplexity AI. This third tool is the reason I said illegal. What it is. Perplexity AI is, like ChatGPT, but with real-time internet access and sources. Why that matters. Instead of guessing or hallucinating, it gives you accurate answers with references. Use cases. Students use it too. Research assignments. Find reliable sources. Understand topics faster than Google. Professionals use it too. Market research. Trend analysis. Quick decision-making. Key difference from Google. Google gives you links. Perplexity gives you answers. Clean, structured, verified. Example. Ask, explain this topic in simple terms and give sources. That's research, explanation and validation all in one place. Why it feels illegal? Because it replaces hours of Googling. And gives you confidence that your information is correct. Here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. AI doesn't replace smart people. It replaces slow workflows. The people winning right now aren't smarter. They're faster because they use tools like these. So now, you know 3 free AI tools that feel illegal, but are available to anyone. If this helped you even a little, subscribe to the channel. More powerful AI content is coming. And don't forget to watch my previous video on 7 AI life hacks students and professionals are sleeping on actually works. It'll take what you learned today to the next level. Work smarter, learn faster. I'll see you in the next one.